Excuse Daniella. The main room itself ain't too bad. Certainly enough floor space and storage. So, big ass TV, plenty of access to the back of it if you need to plug your own thing in. Gave us 2 bottles of water, 2 cups, and an ice bucket. Ice machine for us is just down the hall. We've managed to get our bags in under the drawers here, which are not too shabby. Fair bit of space in all 3 of them. Continuing round this side of the room, big lamp, coffee machine with quite a number of pods and cardboard cups and lids for taking it with you, which is not something you see very often actually. Dartboard, and in this metal one is the fridge. Ooh, if I can actually open it. No light, but it is cold enough. Shelf above it, but I wouldn't put anything there because as it's metal you can feel the heat from the running fridge coming through it. Oh, big work desk. Plenty of plugs here. AC is there, and a circular window behind us. We unfortunately have city view, not sea view. Pull that up like that. Nice, big long lounging bench with a massive window behind it. I'm not going to open this the full way, just half. So big city view. So chain roller for both windows. Okay, only one bedside table with plugs built into the side of it. Phone, clock, and a colossal king size bed. That does not include a Daniella. I have had to bring that myself. Under bed storage does not exist. Something blocking it. And I can't be bothered to find out what it is, or to even check. Big full-length mirror. The other side of the room. Those big hanging balls are lights and controlled by, wait for it, it's zooming, that switch there. They brighten up the room enough. Going back this way. Hooks. AC. And wardrobe space. Comes with a couple of hangers. A safe, 2 drawers, ironing board, spare pillow. Alright, oh, hook here. Now the pain in the ass about the wardrobe there is that unfortunately my side of the bed does not have a bedside table or plugs. So my phone either has to sit on the floor, not charging, or at Daniella's side. Okay, bathroom next. Light and light. So, big vanity mirror here. Light through it. Decent sink. Shelf. Towel rack. Shower. Nothing special here. Decent sized shower head. Nothing too special. Shower curtain. Okay, towels. And the body wash, shower, shampoo and conditioner we get is lime and coriander, which does smell amazing. Back of the door, hook. Now we dumped 2 of our towels that we used this morning when we showered on the floor. They've been taken away, but not replaced. So we initially had 4 tiles, we're now only down to 2. So it'll be interesting to see when we dump those ones, whether or not we get another 2, or what happens. Ooh. Have I missed anything, Daniella? I think my main criticism about the lack of a bedside table on this side is the only thing. Other than that, the room's alright. Cozy enough space. She did complain that the mattress was very hard. I, who prefer a hard mattress, actually like it, but she was not a fan. Sorry. Daniella was not a fan. But yeah, I think that about covers it. So as she is so tired, I think we shall use the room. A wee panoramic shot, and then that's it. That is our room.